I feel like I've been being played this whole time. Like, how come nobody told me that you could get these on Amazon for the low? Like,
yeah, in the trap, hanging places that you can't go. Glock 40, he got smoky at a Draco. 1,000 nights on it.
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zaria. If you've never seen me before, in today's video is just gonna be how to put on your eyelashes and also where you can find some bomb eyelashes for the low. I just put myself on and now I'm about to put y'all on, okay? If you guys want to see how to apply lashes and where to get these bomb lashes, then keep watching. All right, y'all, so these are the lashes. These lashes are literally off Amazon, y'all. Like, when I tell you, I feel like I hit the jackpot. Normally you be paying like $30 for these, but yeah, this is so cute. So this is what the box looks like. And this is what they look like on the inside. I literally never want to buy another pair of lashes from anybody else ever again. I feel like I've been being played this whole time. Like, how come nobody told me that you could get these on Amazon for the low? Like, so I'm gonna take my tweezers. This is the type of tweezers that I'm using. Personally, for me, I don't have a preference. I just don't like the ones that usually come with your eyelashes, like those curved ones. I don't like those. I feel like they're too hard to use, so there's my opinion on that. I'm just gonna use my tweezers to take the eyelash out of the package. I feel like when you use your tweezers to do it, it's way easier for you to pull them off the package without damaging them, you know? So I have it like this. I'm just pulling it off. And there's my eyelash. See, this part is gonna go on the inner part of my eye because it's shorter. You want the longer lash to be on the outside. So what I like to do is put it on my eye. Just to kind of get an idea of what it would look like. Now, I hate when lashes do this. Like, when it looks like it's dipping on the outside, that's how you know you need to cut it. It's too long for your eye. This shouldn't be all the way down here. It should be like pretty. So I'm gonna take my scissors and cut them so that they fit my eye better. You can see that there's some gaps in between the lashes. So when I cut my lash, I try to cut where the gaps already are. And I'm gonna cut from the outside of the lash. So if you guys see this kind of like natural gap that's already in the lash, that's where I'm gonna cut it. Just so you guys can see, this is what I cut off. Now that my lashes are cut, I'm gonna try them on again just to see what it's looking like. And this is a whole lot better, okay? Now it's time to glue it. I like to use duo glue. The reason why I like the duo glue, the green one specifically, is because of this tip that it has. So this tip makes it so much easier to literally just place it onto the lash. So now I have glue on both my lashes and it was mad easy. Like, putting on lashes is nowhere near as difficult as people make it seem. Once you get the right tweezers that work for you and the right glue that works for you, you're good, period. Once I have the glue on, I like to wait, and usually I'll do something else, like do my lips and then come back and apply them. Just because you want to let the glue get a little like to the point where it's kind of sticky already. You don't want to put it on your eye while it's wet because you'll literally just get wet glue all over your eyelid. You know, you kind of want to let it sit on the lash for a little bit and then place it onto your eye so that you don't mess up the rest of your makeup. You feel me? Anyways, you wait for it to get a little bit tacky and then you place it on your eye. So I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see how it looks when I put it on. So I'm holding my eyelash in the middle of the eyelash. So I'm not on the right side, not on the left side. I'm holding it in the middle. You can do it the other ways, but this is what works for me, holding it right here in the middle. So I'm just gonna put it right on. Just adjust the front to where you want it and adjust the back to where you want it. And then I like to take my fingers and pinch the lashes closer to my lashes. Okay, now for the other side, I'm holding it in the middle and I just place it onto my eye. Just like that. Just the back. Oh, I didn't even really have to adjust the front. And then pinch it. All right, you guys, that is literally it. It was so easy. Like, if you put on your lashes like that, you should get it right every single time. I hope that this video was really helpful for those of you who have trouble putting on your eyelashes, and I hope that it was helpful for those of you who just want to find a bomb pair of lashes and you don't want to pay $30. The link to these lashes will be in the description below. There are a few other lashes that I ordered off Amazon that I definitely am going to try, and if I like them, I will let y'all know. Please remember to give me a thumbs up, comment on this video, comment if you've ever gotten lashes from Amazon, comment if I just put you on, comment if this lash video helped you to apply your lashes. Honestly, comment anything, just let me know, just tell me the tea, and obviously subscribe. Like, so yeah, that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.